हेलो स्टार्ट। हेलो हेलो हेलो। हाँ। सो गाइस, प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गई थी, थोड़ा सा कुछ तो हो गया था हॉस्टल में। चूहे वूहे घूमते रहते हैं, मस्ती हो गई थी। तो हाँ, लेट्स गेट बैक टू द वर्क। अब हमें करना क्या है, करना ये है कि व्यूअर सेलेक्टिंग द क्वेश्चन। तो लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली शेयर माय स्क्रीन। यस, हाँ अब सही है ना। एंड लेट मी चेक इफ इट्स वर्किंग दिस वन। नॉट वर्किंग, जस्ट अ सेकंड। I think you guys are not able to see my VS Code screen. So let me just check it if why it's not working. Uh, yeah, yep, now it's working. Huh. So okay, I guess it's yeah. So we were selecting the question. Let's just continue that. So we were here. ठीक है, तो हम क्या कर रहे थे, we were selecting question from array in the medium section. इजी वाले क्वेश्चन में शायद एक दो में कुछ हो सकता है। हाँ, वी वर इन दिस कडांस एल्गोरिथम मैक्सिमम सवेरेज। और हमने क्या कर दिया था, सॉरी व्हाट्सएप क्यों खुल गया यार। हम्म, तो क्विकली सीधे हाँ। तो ये सब एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस। So we have given an array, just a quick reminder, we have to find a sub array which has a maximum sum. Simple. So let me just copy one example from this article from this website only. एग्जाम्पल में हाँ, जैसे कि मैं कॉपी करते हैं। सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल। इनपुट में हमने एक एरे डाला इन विच वी हैव सम 10 एलिमेंट्स and output is 6. 6 is the maximum sum. What is maximum sum? So it is, I guess, from this 4 minus 1 2 1. Yeah, 4 plus minus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So 6 is the output. We have to return the maximum output thing. So just, I don't know, let me check if I can do. I can do this, but first let write the simple code, like what is your first, like जब तुमने इसको देखा, so what was your first idea. So I will write that only, then I will try to optimize that code. As include iostream, so that's showing error, not error. Okay, just quickly check if the stream is working. Yeah, हाँ, तो starting this ठीक। Let's take an array, or should I take a vector? So let's start from array. I don't know C++ much, I just know the basic things, so I'm not comfortable in working with STL basically that. So I will just copy this example wala array so that it will be easy for me. uh, mm, okay, 2 minus 1 3, yeah, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 elements. Okay. So now I have to find a sub array which has the maximum sum. Sub array which has a, I don't have one more camera to show this copy wala thing, but okay, whatever I will do in copy I will tell you. So what will be my approach? minus 2 1 minus 3 4 minus 1 2 1 minus 5 4. So I have to return a sub array which has a maximum sum. So what I will do, I will take all the sub array and calculate the sum, and whichever sum is greatest I'll return that. Okay, so basically this question has become now, you have to find all possible sub array in from this array. I'm not saying this is the like most optimized code, but like this is the first idea which I'm coming up with. So first I will write a code which will return all the sub array, not return, which will travel from all the array, traverse from all the sub array. So let me just I know I should not be teaching this all because this is not a teaching class, sorry. So what I will do first, for all the sub array I will take first element, let's say minus 2. Then what I will do, I will do minus 2, then minus 2 1 minus 2 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 3 minus 4. Basically what I'll do, I'll take a loop from which will first access each element. Let's say array, I I cannot explain it without copy, so let me just write the code. Then j equals to I plus 1, I guess. J less than 9, j plus plus. So now what it will do, it will select one element, then it will come to this loop. This is j I plus 1, that is I from first element. It will start from first element. From first element it will go till this 4. So what I got the first sub array, which is the whole array. Then again what it will do, they will move to I to shift I to this one, and then again what j will do, j will go to this, to this, all this one. Basically I guess you are getting my point. So this is the thing, first it will go on this, then j will start, like j will come to this one. So this will be sub array in first loop. Then again from here to here, this will be the second sub array, this will be the third one, this will be the fourth one. And then again I will like I will move the I1, then again the same thing, I2 minus 1 3 this. So this two loops will you know this two loop will access the whole sub array, all the sub arrays. Now inside this I will type one more loop which will calculate the sum. For calculating the sum I will throw each sub array int k. Let me do something. क्या हुआ भाई? थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल हो जाया जाए. अरे यार. Okay, let me just quickly write the code. I will try to solve at least 3 to 4 questions till this system. अरे यार, what I'm doing. For k I will start let's say -2 it will go for 1 to starting from k Okay, so we start from I guess. I k less than j, है ना? J is 2, yeah. K less than j, not less than j. It should be less than equals to j, I guess. No, no. J I plus 1 k less than j. So in the first run, it will j less than 9. At the 9 position, j less than 8. So k will be the less than 8, and k will start from 1, 1 to 8. So k should be equal to j, I guess. K plus sum. Sum will be what? Sum will be sum plus array of that. Array of that what? Array of k. Yeah. And I will initialize sum as here, where I will for each sub array I am calculating. So where should I keep the sum? After each sub array, like what is each sub array? This is the one sub array for one loop. So behind this, basically here I should write int sum, because this I can write anywhere, but I have to write one condition where like int max sum equals to 0, and I will write a condition here for each sub array. Sorry, not here. No, not. Where should I? Here. Let me check if sum is greater than your m sum. What you have to do? Simply make m sum equals to sum, and and at each point, why it's getting acha max sum. Sorry, I initially thought to initialize this as m sum, but that's why I wrote max m sum. So max sum. Let me just check it if it works or not. Obviously, in first attempt, until it's too easy, you cannot get the correct solution. So you have to keep trying. Like now I have to debug this. This will have some sort errors or something. Yeah, it's not working. It's getting me 20, but the answer should be 6. So let's see where what is the wrong. Uh, so here. Okay. 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 I wanna see. I guess. Let's check it. 20 again. What is the problem? Where is the problem? Okay. This should be here. I know. Yeah. Now it's working. So this was the code. I guess we have solved this. Maybe I should generalize this. Let me just generalize this. This is general code. Just except from this, I have to write a size element, which will return to size. Wherever we have 9, I will put that size wala variable. Control size wala variable, and wherever is 9. So this and what I will do? Size is what? I have to make int size equals to size of that array and divided by size of हमारा array का first element या any element. It's taking 1. ठीक है. Now it should work for 6. Okay, so it's working. I guess we have done it. और कोई अगर example हो एक बार, let me just quickly check if there is any other example. I can make an example, but then array of 1, if I search, this is also a question. If the array is 1 only, try to make another array. Let's just control C. I will array of 1. Maybe just hope this works. Array yeah, not working. 0. Why 0? I say I plus 1. What I can do? Let's just move this. Now it should work now. Yeah, it's working. And again, if I do the again wala thing, तो हमारा लास्ट वाला है रे. Okay, so guys, we have done this code, this one. Okay, so I will mark this one as done. Let me just open that screen, close this one. So we have done this one. तुम्हारा क्या कटान algorithm. We have to sign in. अरे okay. So again, okay, we have to print. Okay, now I just forgot. I should optimize this code. Optimization, brute force approach, better optimal follow-up questions. Okay, bro, there is too many things I have to do. Let's see if I can do this. So I have to optimize this code. Optimize basically what? In this for this approach, I am using 3 for loops, so it will be not exactly 3 for loop. It will be roughly around n cube. Well, we big O of n cube will be the time complexity, and space complexity will be big O of 1 only. Well, big O of n. I don't know if we what if we take this space also, it will be big O of n. Otherwise, it will be big O of 1 only, because we are not using any extra space. So we cannot optimize it in terms of space complexity. So we have to optimize it in terms of like time complexity. We are using 3 for loops. We should use like less for loops, less loops basically. The time complexity will not be like totally equal to n cube, because in like after here we are about we are like updating the for loop na, it will run for less time as I increases, so it will roughly around n cube. Now I have to optimize this code, and I should just instead of this, let me just quickly write a function. I will so that I can optimize one more na. So max sum in this, we will first put an array, and we have to give a size also, and inside this I will just this copy this whole code. Not copy this, cut it. Okay, and in the last thing, int na, so I will just return that हमारा maximum. Okay, so now it's print count max. What is the function name? Function name is also maximum. Let me just max sub sum, and let me just quickly, oh sorry, let me just quickly run this. So in the maximum I have to give an array giving, and inside size I will give 9. Why to give 9? Array, I copied size also na. Nahi, I copied size also. No need of size here. Size will be this one, and here I will just give the size. Let's see if it's run. Yeah, it's running. So this was the first variant, int max sub sum. I will make one more function which will be more optimized. Int max sub sum 1. Again the format will be same. We have to pass an array and give it size also. Inside this we have to do everything. So I have to optimize it and make it less, using less for loops. How can I use less for loops? And the thing is that the if I don't like agar if I stuck anywhere for more than 5 minutes or more than 10 minutes, then I'll see the solution and try to understand without like watching the video solution. Do it in Vigo often, Rohit. I will try to do it in Vigo often. नहीं होगा भाई. Okay, Vaibhav, let's see. 2028. So okay guys, let me just optimize. I don't know how can I do it. So we have to do it in Vigo FN. How can I do it in Vigo FN? First, let me try something. I have used 3 for loops here. If I can merge this thing into, so how I will here I have used 3 for loops. I will try to merge these two. How can I merge this two? Again, let me just do some coding and dot in some time. Okay, I got an idea. I just realized why I'm using this third loop wala thing. Like I will try to explain you if I can. What I'm doing is like if you like observe closely, what I'm doing uh, fixing this first element. Then I in the second loop, what I'm doing first element. Then the second loop it will run till this many times. So in first loop it will cover this two element. In second loop it will cover three element, then four element, and as it will cover the whole element. And again after the, like, the outer loop runs one time, after when it run the second time, it will go on one, then after then again inside the second loop, when the second loop runs, it will run like this: 1 2 minus 3, 1 2 minus 1 to 4, 1 2 minus 1, and so on. So what I'm, like, if you can observe, it was so obvious that it is covering the whole sub array in its own. Like we don't have to use this third wala, है ना? I guess. I guess, like, what I'm doing is कि I'm taking this sub array, and after taking this sub array, I am again going, like, I am again traveling through whole array, whole this sub array, and doing the sum. Instead of that, I can do, while I am traveling through this array, I can use the sum. I guess, maybe I'm not clear. I know I'm not clear in my brain only. So maybe this can work, maybe this cannot. If I just remove this one, if I can, will it work or not? Sum equals to sum plus equals to हमारा array of I, ना, array of I हो j, array of, obviously array of j, and what for each, int sum will be here, sum will be 0 here, int sum equals to 0 for and this for loop, if sum equals, this if statement should be outside. Why it's saying red यार, some expected अरे यार, what's the wrong answer? अरे, oh sorry, I have initialized again second time. Maybe this can run, see out console. 5 5, okay, something. hmm what I'm doing wrong here? J is, or j is I, ठीक है. Then in first loop this this this, okay, everything is fine here. Then why it's not working? Just let me return maximum, okay. And this for loop is of this one, if this one, okay, everything is fine. I hope everything is fine. Array, we have array and size of array of 0. This array I'm passing this array, max sum, okay, okay, ठीक है. I have did something wrong here. Why it's getting 5? Oh, auto, no. Not getting why. I guess the logic. I cannot do is, what is wrong here? Let me just try run to check it what's the wrong here. Minus 2 1 minus 3 4 minus 1 2 1 minus 5 4. For I equals to 0, I equals to 0, what it is doing, it is doing your I equals to 0 and sum equals to 0, again in the j equals to y, j equals to 0, j less than size, that is j less than 9, it will, so j equals to 0, sum equals to minus 2. Oh, what? Oh, and this 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 this, this sum. So what it did, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 6 4 4 8. Okay, I guess I'm getting the thing. Okay, I'm not getting why it's not working. Maybe I can work, it can work, yeah. I don't know why it's not working. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, so try to find the sum, whole sum. Oh, okay, I guess I got the thing, what was there, what was the problem. If I just do this here, maybe it will work. It should work. Ah, no. So this was the problem. Okay. So yeah, it was nice one. Ah, I have to compare it here only, yaar. I was doing the whole thing. That's why. Okay. So guys, we have done this in bgo of n square. Bgo of n square is done. So let me just write here the time complexity we have achieved here. Time complexity equals to bgo of your n square. Right now it's n square. We have to go up to your bgo of n. I don't know if there is a solution of bgo of n or n also. Maybe I can check. Should I check or not? Let me just check here. Let me just show you the screen of this. So this one is, so we have brute force approach, better approach, optimal approach, follow-up question. There are 4 question or 4 something. So brute force approach, let me just open. I will not read anything. Acha, there is a complexity big of n cube. Maybe the brute force approach will be this one which I did in the last thing. And we have better approach. I will not read anything. Go to complex big of n square. Big of n square. Okay. And optimal approach, where is the, acha, okay, in the optimal approach there is big O of n time complexity. How can we how can we do this in big of n complexity? Big of n square was okay. It was array. It was easy. Yaar. Why I did the big of n cube thing? That was some beginner's mistake. So now we have to find complexity. Okay, guys. Yeah, there was some disturbance, but now we are back. हाँ, तो big of n square was easy. मतलब n cube वाला n cube मैंने क्यों ही किया यार, मैं पागल ही हूँ. हाँ, big of n square. So now required time complexity is what? Required time complexity is big of n. Okay, how can we? So big of n. That means what? We are using one loop only. That means we are like traversing through whole array only once. And in that time we are calculating that maximum sum wala thing है ना. So I will do this in this one. How can we do that? So this is the one loop, and inside this we have to write everything. How can we write? Is there any problem in the string? No. How can we do yaar? Okay. So guys, again, I'm not comfortable. Let me just. Oh, shit. I know, guys, the view is not good, and yeah. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to like, pray what? I am repeating the again the same thing. I have to travel it once, and I have to like calculate the maximum sum of that array. So let me just do something if I can do. A quick tip: if you like want to, if you are coding something, try to use copy pen. Like for me, it works. Like if I stuck anywhere, dry run it, you will get that problem where it is not working. Dry run each and every step and it will work. How can I? दर्द है भाई. -2 some question 0 will be something. I don't know if this can work. Maximum sum. We have to return the maximum. Basically, we have to turn from 4 to 1. How can I go there? Yaar? In one go, we have to find that this has the maximum thing. Yeah, that is the point where you can learn something. If you are not, if you like, if you do any problem and you are not learning anything new thing, then it's just waste of your time, na? Hmm, this one. Okay, maybe it can work something. I got an idea. What I will do? Ah, so guys, I just did some exercise today, so my hands are peeling. Hmm. Ah, maybe the camera. Let me just adjust the. Hmm. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Yeah, I am. Okay, so what I will do? I got an idea. What I will do for like I will travel so once. So first, let me just make a variable int your sum 0 int